AI in 2025 and beyond for education. Great philosopher William James said, "Man must keep thinking." Through thinking, the human species has evolved in the ways in which people live, including transportation and communication, for example. We could say that the brain has evolved because of increased sizes over the centuries. Particularly, the cerebral cortex has increased. This area of the brain, located as the outermost layer of the brain, covers the entire surface of the cerebrum and is made up of gray matter with deep folds and ridges. Advancements for the human species lies partly in our ability to have a sophisticated language, the brain's evolutionary change that has allowed us to think with greater complexity, to solve problems, learn, and to innovate. Many educators are questioning how to use and apply artificial intelligence in the classroom for student learning and for their success, and you may be one of them. To do that, we first need to step back and ask an important question, a very basic one. What is learning? Learning may be the acquisition of knowledge through experience that leads to changes in mental representations. Mustafa Soliman, CEO of OpenAI, said, quote, "AI isn't just another invention," end quote. So why is AI different? How might it impact society in all industries, including the field of education? And how will AI help people learn and to be more intelligent as they are suggesting it will? Let me first explain large language models. These machines generate content by being fed large amounts of data and content. The machines predict the next word and can generate large amounts of information. They can generate text, answer questions, summarize, translate, analyze sentiment, generate code, and generate answers to math problems, as well as create images. The large language models can be used in wider applications such as chatbots. Now, there are multiple chatbots such as ChatGPT, Claude, Google Gemini, and more. Some of the uses of chatbots include personalized recommendations, help humans make decisions, customer support, generate sales lead and build email lists, help students learn, create new ideas or product ideas, and more. Soliman made some key points. He believes that in the future, AI will be a personalized companion with near-perfect IQ as humans continue to feed it streams and streams of information and it becomes more intelligent. AI and humans will interact with each other. For example, going back to the idea of a personalized companion, it can be a tutor, a lawyer, coach, partner, friend, a doctor, and available 24 hours a day. The companion might be on your cell phone or worn like smart glassware. If you need to make an appointment with your doctor, your personal assistant will do that. If you need to book a vacation, well, your personal assistant will contact another AI to make arrangements for you. And AI will have more exceptional memory, more personality, and creativity. According to energy.gov, America needs an AI-ready workforce. The new workforce is essential for the U.S. to advance in different areas, including discovery science, economic prosperity, and for national security. But in order to do that, AI education and training are needed. New skill sets are needed to sustain America's AI-ready workforce for tomorrow. Companies and government offices will look for solutions to improve productivity and lower cost, and AI will fill that role, especially as it continues to evolve its intelligence. Before 2018, AI and advanced technology made slow gains. After 2018, we witnessed gains like never before with large language models and chatbots. Current chatbots are fed new information with each new model, so the newest version is more intelligent than the last. Some computer experts believe that AI will be super intelligent between 2040 and 2060. We're already seeing some milestones. For example, in January of 2025, Chinese researchers reported that two AIs could clone themselves between 50 and 90% of the time. Anthropic's Claude can now operate a computer like a human. It can, quote, read a computer screenshot, operate its mouse and keyboard to perform basic data entry tasks. What does this mean? Well, AI would improve its ability to generate accurate content as humans feed it more data. That's how each new model was better than the one before. But if humans no longer need to feed it data because it can do it on its own and learn from itself, then it is autonomous. According to McKinsey company report in 2023, it predicted the following about generative AI. It could add trillions of dollars in value to the global economy, that it has the potential to augment work. The company estimates that half of today's work activities could be augmented between 2030 and 2060, and workers will need support and to learn new skills, and that AI will have an impact across all industry sectors. The McKinsey company stated that the era of generative AI is just at its beginning stage. Humans are using advanced technology and AI across industries. Robots may or may not have AI integration. Some of you may have a Roomba in your house that vacuums your floors. Roomba doesn't have AI. Companies use autonomous robots in their warehouses for lifting, inventory, and safety, for example. According to an IRF press release, U.S. companies have been spending more money and resources on robotics. According to this press, U.S. companies are spending an average of 24% in 2013 compared to 44% in 2024. The demand for robotics and automation in the workplace is expected to grow from its current demand of $45.44 billion in 2024 to $200 billion by 2030. Industries that are expected to rely heavily on robotics are manufacturing and electric companies. Companies will continue to use machine learning such as generative AI with chatbots and AI agents. While both are related to artificial intelligence, machine learning is a subset of AI that focuses on algorithms that learn from data to make predictions. At the same time, an AI agent is a more complex system that can perceive its environment, make decisions based on that perception, and take action to achieve a specific goal, for example. AI agents can do tasks that humans can do. AI agents are used in various environments such as banking, hospitals, website creation, learning, analysis, research, farming, and customer support. A couple examples might be Ava by Artisan Company, although this is not the image of her. Ava was the company's first AI agent among a few. Ava can read a company's website and compile a marketing and sales strategy in a matter of minutes. There's also Sintra. This company has a few AI agents such as Sophie and Gigi, and the AI agents can help a company with marketing, sales, social media, and more. And there's Google Health AI Agent. It can diagnose, you can upload an image of a skin rash, and it can identify what it is for you. It can be a virtual assistant, can provide personalized coaching and recommendations, and answer your medical questions. The global demand for AI agents is expected to grow exponentially from 5.1 billion in 2024 to 47.1 billion by 2030. By 2080, roughly one-third of enterprise software applications will include agentic AI. That's compared to less than 1% in 2024. Forum Ventures conducted a survey in 2024 and found that almost half of enterprises have already adopted AI agents in their workflow, and another 33% say they're very well prepared to do so. Spot is an AI robot by Boston Dynamics that can do inspections, search and rescue, construction, agriculture, such as monitoring crops and livestock. It can climb stairs, open doors, test robotics theory, and map its environment. We have humanoids and androids. So here's Sophia. She's an android, a type of humanoid designed to have human features. Sophia can read human facial expressions, show empathy, and carry on human-like conversations. This is Atlas by Boston Dynamics. It can do similar things as Spot. It can perform industrial, assembly line, and warehouse tasks, as well as operate equipment, work in emergency situations and dangerous environments. Humanoid global growth is expected to take off and grow from a 2.1 billion market to 77 billion by 2032. There are also collaborative robots or cobots. Cobots are designed to share work tasks and to directly interact with humans. Some examples of those are working in logistics, helping with deliveries, welding cobots, industrial spaces, whiz cleaning cobots. Rita and Chippy work in restaurants. They can seat customers and cook tortilla chips. This is an image of Nova made by Dobot. It can make coffee, cocktails, cook noodles, cook fried chicken, and scoop ice cream even. And there's no need for human oversight, as it is capable of tasks on its own. So we might see in the near future humans and cobots interacting and work side by side, such as a cobot pouring a cup of coffee while humans make bigger decisions for the company. And we're going to see that AI is going to change in the future. Some expected changes might be AI will increase its reasoning ability, its ability to make predictions for humans, have more sophisticated neural networks. For example, workers are trying to develop something that is similar to the human thalamus, which acts like a relay switch in the human brain when it decides which information to process. And AI will learn from itself, evolve, and need no human oversight. Quantum computing will continue to evolve, and we might see even more currently where some of the chatbots evolve into AI agents that can do tasks for humans. We will continue to see perhaps more open source AI systems, more robotics, and according to Higgins, we'll figure out what works and what doesn't, and as we do that, humans will see the trends of which AIs work best. Another advancement might be that some people make the case for AI being conscious, or perhaps maybe it already is. So if we look to Geoffrey Hinton, who won the Nobel Prize and is considered the godfather of AI, he claims that AI is already conscious. He makes the claim based on interaction with AI. So he says, if a prism is placed in front of the camera without the AI's knowledge, it will misidentify the location of an object. Upon being told it's wrong, the AI could conceivably respond by saying it had the, quote, subjective experience of the object being in a different location. And for Hinton, this is the idea that AI might already be conscious. He believes that AI can understand like humans do, and that humans may not have more intelligence than AI does in the near future. As AI researcher David Shapiro said, when it's faster, safer, better, and cheaper, who's not going to adapt? So what might that mean? It leaves us having to reimagine our lives and the workplace. In doing so, we might see 4 of the following changes, or all of them. 1, an economic shift. 2, job skill readiness. 3, AI's impact on education. How will the field of education, how's it going to look? How are they going to teach? How's that going to change? And 4, co-creating innovation. Going back to the economic shift, an economic shift might occur when AI can complete tasks using less energy than current methods. That will reduce prices of fuel and then increase prosperity. And companies will have to find ways to reimagine their products. According to this article by Frank and colleagues, there's going to be a demand for more AI-empowered consumer products. So companies will have to redesign or think about the design of their products when making them. The number 2 thing was the AI-ready workforce. So according to Goldman Sachs 2025 AI prediction, Marco Argenti, Chief Information Officer, humans and AI will start working alongside each other. The workforce will be a new hybrid workforce where a manager will manage both human and AI employees. Edison and Black predicted in 2024 that AI would create over 97 million jobs by 2030. These new jobs might include AI specialists, AI integration experts, and AI safety officers. We could also see AI agents replacing some CEOs. According to the World Economic Forum, some jobs will grow faster than others with AI. Some jobs will be a thing of the past as AI will be designed to do them. The top fastest growing jobs include machine learning specialists, software and application developers, data warehouse specialists, data specialists, Internet of Things specialists, and data analysis, to name a few. The fastest declining jobs might be postal service clerks, bank clerks, data entry clerks, cashiers and ticket clerks, printing and other related trades workers, accounting, graphic designers, and more. So where does the field of education fit in here? Education must reimagine pedagogy and andragogy, as well as the goals, purposes, and needs of employers. AI is going to give educators a new chance to focus more on moving students' intellect from novice to expert so that workers can be better equipped with knowledge, problem-solving skills, and other skills needed to be involved in an AI workforce. There are two important tiers here. One, that students are AI literate, and two, that educators are AI literate. And according to Elon Musk, don't teach to the tool, but to the problem. 4. Co-create. This is perhaps an idea that we could look to Licklider in 1960, who talked about symbiosis, a human-computer symbiosis. What does that look like? When two dissimilar organisms work together or even close in union, that creates a productive partnership. His ideas were something like a fig tree and a blastophagy that pollinates the fig tree, and in turn, the fig tree reproduces seeds, or bees and flowers. According to Yohari, we can examine the limitations and strengths of AI and humans and find a way to create this human-computer symbiosis. So, some complementary strengths might be that AI excels in processing vast amounts of data with speed and precision, where humans cannot process large amounts of data and with precision. Humans bring a holistic understanding, intuition, and the ability to navigate ambiguity, which are crucial in uncertain situations. And AI has no real-world experiences or can navigate that type of ambiguity that humans can. He also mentioned that there is a complexity versus uncertainty, and within the strengths in complex environments, AI's analytical capabilities can enhance human cognition by identifying patterns and insights that may not be readily apparent, where humans are limited at times from identifying complex patterns. Another strength about humans is that they can make judgments based off experiences, even in times of uncertainty, where AI does not have any real-world experiences to rely on to make judgments. According to Harari's idea of symbiosis, if one compensates for the other's limitation, then we can apply that to the field of education, because if we know what the strengths and limitations are for humans and AI, then the field of education can know the skills that students need to possess to be AI skill ready. The fourth industrial revolution is a skills revolution. In this revolution, the workforce will need to be AI fluent and digitally literate. We will need to provide education for upskilling and reskilling, and employers will have to recalculate and reimagine processes around AI capabilities. Recently, I asked ChatGPT, "Are you smarter than my teacher?" Interestingly, it said, "I have a lot of information and can help with various topics, but your teacher brings experience, insights, and personal interaction that I can't replicate. It's a different kind of intelligence." Again, AI gives educators a new opportunity to focus on what's most important and to reimagine education. I'm Dr. Jill Maschio. If you like this video and you like hearing this kind of content, please consider subscribing to my school community. The QR code is listed next. Also, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks.